Hello, everyone. My name is Lori Bradner with the Florida Aviation Network, and I am here at Kennedy Space Center, and we are celebrating today Girls in Aviation Day. I am telling you, it is a fantastic day here on the Space Coast, and I am here with Courtney Compton. Courtney, thank you. And I understand that you are the president of the Women in Aviation, correct?
That's right. President of the Central Florida chapter
Central Florida
of Women
chapter.
in Aviation
Oh,
International.
see, I gave you a promotion.
Absolutely, and I'll take it. No.
So tell me a little bit. Tell me a little bit about how you got involved, and a little bit about what these fabulous girls, and they are also excited, are doing today.
Absolutely. So my background is actually not in aviation. So I've always had a passion for aviation and aerospace personally, but I found my way here later in life. But it's always been an interest of mine and a passion of mine. And Women in Aviation International and the Central Florida chapter was my first connection into the industry. And so it's such a welcoming organization, and the chapter is just so fantastic. And that has basically been my introduction into aviation, really.
Now, do you fly now?
I don't. I went down the pilot route.
Okay.
It wasn't a good fit for me, but
Okay.
I'm now a project manager working for a company called Integrated Launch Solutions, and we
Nice.
do FAA licensing for launch companies and spacecraft developers and spaceport operators. So found my way into the industry that way through Central Florida, and actually got my job through a connection here.
We need you. Now, what are the girls doing? We've got about 50 girls here.
Yes.
What are they doing today?
So we actually have a full day, and it's free for all girls. We have about 50 girls from the Central Florida area. So we focus on Central Florida, given that's where our chapter is, and that's where our passion is. So it's a free day for all the girls in attendance, and it's a full day here at Kennedy Space Center. So we start the day off with a static display of aircraft and spacecraft. We'll have lunch this afternoon with our guest speaker, Pam Underwood, who is the director of the FAA Office of Spaceports. So she'll give us a talk later on this afternoon. And then in the afternoon, we're going to do our hands-on activities. So these are STEM activities, science, technology, engineering, and math activities for the girls to actually get involved in and get their hands dirty and have some fun. And then finally, we wrap up the day with a private bus tour of Kennedy Space Center. So,
That is awesome.
and it's really our goal to open the girls' minds to the opportunities within the industries. I think there's a lot of misconception that you can only be a pilot or a flight attendant, but there's a whole world of opportunity out there, and it was our goal to show the diversity.
Well, and I love that you've got Baycare here, you've got the Florida Highway Patrol here, you've got Northrop Grumman here. I mean, you've got emergency services here. And the truth be told, we need, when you talk about science, technology, engineering, and math, like you said, there are so many pathways that these young women can take. What I want to say is thank you. Thank you for being the spark to ignite that flame of passion, because this is where it starts. So as a mom, as someone who's part of the Florida Aviation Network, thank you for doing that. And Courtney, we appreciate you having us out here. We hope that you'll invite us back next year.
Absolutely.
Because I know you're going to do it next year,
Absolutely.
2024, so we're going to look forward to that. So my name is Lori Bradner. I'm with the Florida Aviation Network, and we're here at Kennedy Space Center celebrating Girls in Aviation Day.